This video I'm going to use Fix-A-Flat to see how well it works. They claim you can just connect, inflate, and go. This can has detailed instructions on the back along with warnings to the right of them. It also recommends that you have your tire repaired within 3 days or 100 miles, so this is not a permanent solution. Directions say to shake the can vigorously for at least 30 seconds, so that's the first thing I'll do. Then I'll take the valve cap off and use a small bolt to let the air out of the tire. I will shake the can again before using it just to be safe. Then I'll take the tab off and pull the hose out to screw it onto the valve stem. This will open up the valve, so you should hear some air escape into the tube after it's on all the way. Then you just need to push the button down to fill the tire with a specialized foam that should temporarily seal any holes up to a 1/4 inch in size. After you see the foam stop flowing through the clear tube, you can unscrew it from the tire valve, which will most likely spray a little foam around. I just pour water on it to clean it off though. Then I just have to fill my tire back up to the manufacturer's recommended pressure and immediately go drive 2 to 4 miles to make sure the foam gets spread around the tire and fill into the holes that are allowing air to escape. I've also seen smaller cans of Fix-A-Flat that are cheaper, but they don't have a clear hose, so it's harder to tell when the foam stops flowing. Hopefully this video has helped, and feel free to ask any questions that you still may have in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more quick and on-point videos.